You won't believe what happens when you put these two ingredients together. No complicated recipe, no long ingredient list, just very easy dessert magic. All you need is one box of angel food cake and one can of strawberry fruit filling. That's it. Two ingredients. So first we're going to start. We've got our can of strawberries here. I've got the Lucky Leaf brand, and we're just going to pour it all in a bowl. Okay, once we get all our strawberries in the bowl, we're going to get our angel food cake mix. But first, look at these big, beautiful strawberries. Okay, I've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to take one box of angel food cake mix and just dump it in the bowl. That's it. No eggs, no water, no oil, just two ingredients. Now we'll just give this a good stir. This really shouldn't be this easy, and it practically makes itself. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So if you like this kind of content or you found this video helpful, please give me a like and a comment below, and I'd love to have you along. Okay, now that we have this mixed up, we're just going to let it sit a minute, and it almost seems like it rises a bit. So I've got a 9 by 13 pan. We're going to spray it down real good and then add our mixture. We're just going to get all of our mixture and get it in our pan and just spread it evenly. And you know, you can do this with any kind of flavorings with this angel food cake. You could use apple pie filling, cherry, maybe lemon, and just makes for a nice, fluffy, delicious dessert. Okay, we've got this all spread over. Okay, looks good. Before I put it in the oven, I like to just give it a couple of taps, kind of get the air bubbles out, just some light little taps. And now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees, about 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, look at this beautiful cake. Golden brown top, smells delicious. I wish you could smell the strawberries. Just makes the whole house smell good. Okay, and let's cut into it a nice fluffy slice of strawberry angel food cake. This would be perfect with some vanilla ice cream and some Cool Whip. Just a nice, simple, easy dessert. This is one of those recipes that's perfect when you need something sweet but don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. Let me ask, would you try this with strawberry or would you switch it up with another fruit filling? Thanks for joining me today in the kitchen, and subscribe for more easy recipes just like this. Thank you for watching.